I'm not gonna follow. I'm just gonna see if I can find him.
Follow him on TikTok.
Is it? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah.
Because I knew you in middle school. You went to.
Crap! I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Uh-oh, he knows me from middle school.
I know you from middle school. You were a cunt.
I was. I really was.
Is that you right now, the black guy? Wait, you're not black, are you?
I'm not.
You're not mining stone right now, right?
I am.
I'm mining. Hey! Chillax, Jacob. It's me.
I didn't know you were over here.
I didn't know you were black.
Yeah, no, that too.
Say you did. Put it back down for.
Yeah.
It's 11-8 Rust Blood Solo Duo Trio.
2x.
Fuck. Oh, on the road.
Rev.
On the road, Rev.
Ooh.
Or Revolver.
Fuck you guys. Yeah, just come to us. We're gonna go grab that Rev guy.
I see him. He's shifting.
I don't see. I still don't have. Is he on the road exactly?
He's 260. He's not on the road. He's right over that hill. He's probably gonna pop over.
Well, here he's got a. There's a heli over here. Might be trying to.
Oh, I see him. He's breaking a thing.
Alright, just try to scooch up to him. He has a Rev, so he shouldn't be able to kill us all.
Oh, has
he?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Headshot him. Hit him.
There's another.
Hit him. There's a bow guy to your left.
Yeah, there's a bow guy.
Down to Hazy.
Headshot the bow guy.
I'm killing the Hazy right now. Hazy's dead.
The bow guy hit me. Up, I hit. Wait, what?
Missed. Hit the bow guy.
How'd that not hit?
We're so bad. Holy shit.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
fucking die!
Alright, run. You keep running.
Everybody stop shooting. Wait.
Hey, stop.
I died. I bled out.
Stop.
Pick me up. I bled out.
Sorry, yeah. Are you still finding him?
I'm trying to hit him. My aim is.
I thought we were
got
going to
him.
leave him.
You actually got him?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Cutter. Oh, SARS.
Oh, easy.
2 SARS.
2 SARS.
2 SAR gun, SAR. Oh, custom. We're about to fucking get some loot if we can actually win.
Is this an online raid?
I'm not sure if it's online or
What
not.
do you guess? What do you guess that's an online?
I'm guessing it's a counter.
Okay.
Hit a guy.
Wait, I'm not even close to you yet.
You can't shoot for shit. Hit him again.
Wait, I'm not even close to you yet.
You can't shoot for shit. Hit him again. He's low. He has a SAR.
I'm coming.
I downed him.
Grab it in ditch.
Fucking running. I got a SAR.
Come on. Just come towards me.
Forget about him.
Come towards me.
I got a fucking SAR. It has barely any ammo.
I don't care. Okay.
Oh, I'm getting shot at by a custom.
I know. Come on.
Where's the custom at? Is it behind me? Oh, no. I need help. Shoot at him. Where's he at?
Go. Don't wait for me. Well, I have 74 more scrap.
I got 78 more scrap. All right.
Alright, dude, we should definitely have enough.
I'm back at base, baby.
What the fuck?
Nice, easy. We should definitely have enough scrap to do most of that. Because I know that we had like 200 and then we brought another 250 home and then now we're bringing another
I might have a little
150 home.
I have a slight issue though. My horse is in my base. Somehow.
What do you mean your horse
He's
is
in the
base?
fucking base.
Oh.
I don't even know how he got in here. Hey Ma, there's a fucking horse in the house.
Ma! Call the cops!
Alright, leave him like that. Let's go. Oh,
You
guys
can't ride him.
guys out here. Hold up, I'm gonna headshot him.
Whoa. Wait. Where at?
Right on the heli.
Oh, okay, go. Wait,
Headshot one, he's dead.
I hit him once.
I killed one. Here, I'm gonna quickly loot this guy up. I'm gonna quickly loot. Alright. Here.
How are these hitting?
I don't know, man.
Help me.
Hold up. This guy's gonna come out. I have to fight the guy who comes out.
Dude, I need you to help me.
Back up, just back up.
I don't have any food.
Back up, back to base. I don't care.
The other dude's right there. Oh. Oh, dude, get back. Just get back. Get back. Did you kill him?
No, he's low. Fuck, he has a DB.
I hit the one dude.
I killed the DB.
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
I killed the DB. No, he's down me, he downed me. Hit him once, come on.
I hit him, I hit him.
He's down, is he down?
Yeah, he says.
I need to grab some food, I'm hungry.
I am the guardian of these walls. Me and my trust. Fried noodles, come out here.
Hold on, let me. Who's out? Is he out there again?
Do you guys really want to farm while we're all three on, though?
Oh my god. Jesus.
Oof.
Where did it go?
Is it on top of the house? You glitched on top.
Oh my god.
I love this game.
I want a satchel. Come here, you need to be close range combat. You not in the cave? I hear him throwing it, yeah.
That just helped us out so much. Where are you at? You keep going so fast. Are you shooting?
Yeah. Good one.
Okay, okay, good shit.
You push up.
Get a light, get a light.
Oh, fuck. Back up, back up, back up.
Run back, run back. What idiots.
Oh, one didn't go off.
You're up. One dudded. One dudded. Grab one. Grab one.
He's dead. Okay, can you pick up that one up? Did you pick it up?
I picked up two. I picked up two.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
No, hold up.
Fuck this. We're actually not hackers.
Yeah, we just kill. Oh, they don't. Yeah.
We just counter. We'll help you. We'll help you.
Yeah, they have a door and everything.
Okay, we're running. We just want the satchels.
Right there.
I don't know.
Go, bye.
We just need to go.
Yeah,
We
thank
just need
you.
to go.
Peace out.
Thank
bye.
you so much. Thank you so much. Did you need a satchel? Did you need a satchel?
yeah,
Did you
watch
need
out.
one? Did you need one?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
okay,
I have
okay,
the
okay.
BP.
All right.
I just they're
Alright,
hackers
alright,
that are
alright,
fucking
alright.
being a pain
Fuck,
in everyone's ass.
fuck.
So I'm just letting you guys know.
All right. Thank you for telling us.
Yeah, those
Thank
sword
you.
guys are
Thank you.
those are a problem.
Oh, it's this one here. This one here.
Which one?
This one.
Here, I'll go first.
Left side.
They shoot me
Yeah,
in
thank
there.
you. It's the other side, by the way. It's the other side, my guy. Side here.
Oh, it
Dude, I
is.
need you to go for
Thanks.
see shit. Neil.
Thank you so much, my guy. Yeah, be careful. We're not gonna come out. We're not gonna finish this raid. You seem like a nice guy. We just needed the satchels for
I'll
other
run
ones.
out first.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, you're right. This way.
If he gets gunned down, we're just gonna chill out here for 10 minutes.
Oh, we'll just fucking sit in the cave.
You have a thing on you, so.
Let him run out first.
You're most. I think you're good.
We're good. We're
Thank
good.
you.
We're good.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Have
Thank
fun.
you so much.
No problem. Don't mention it.
We're the one who helped them, but. Take your horse.
Yeah, there's a lot of shots ahead of me. East 100. Right, I'm going up.
Really close by.
Oh, I like back up. My bad.
He's the guy, but I don't want him to. Right, crouch. Crouch. Right over here. He's dead. He's full dead. We killed him. Full dead. There's another guy up top. There's a guy up top. Rev the guy up top. Fuck, I'm gonna lose.
Yo, what the fuck, Dukekii? He was on me. He killed me with the bone knife, bro. What were you doing?
I was fighting some other guy.
Bruh, what do you mean? He was literally right next to us. I was like, bruh. Cause like,
Killed one.
did you kill the one named?
Killed both.
Okay, was one of them named Chubba?
I can't tell right now.
Well, you might want to look, cause if not, there might be another guy there. Cause,
Yeah, I killed him. Yeah.
just get my shit. Dude. I'll meet you halfway.
I'm heading back to base.
Who searched OO Stinky, but it's on a soft lolly?
Oh, this one.
Had to do it to him.
Stinky, 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 stinky.